Welcome to a video from digitallifestyle.com. New Redstone 5 build to look at. This is 17763 for Windows Insiders on the fast ring. October 2018 update, it'll be called 1809. Code name, or version name I should say, and very close to the edge of development, or the end of development on this now. There is actually a couple of known issues with this, so I know that this is not going to be the final build unless they patch it with sort of a series of cumulative updates, but we'll see. I don't think it will be. I'll tell you the known issues first. Task Manager will not report accurate CPU usage. Interesting that that's got the same bug in the latest 19H1 build, which I did a separate video for, so head onto digitallifestyle.com or on our YouTube channel to have a look at that. Arrows to expand the background processing Task Manager are blinking consistently and weirdly. So I didn't see this on my machine, my other machine that was doing the test, doing the 19H1 build. There you go. Yes, you can see that there. So they're blinking. So I suspect this isn't going to be the final release. There are a few fixes. They fixed an issue with using flash elements in Microsoft Edge with two fingers scrolling or two-finger interaction would crash. They fixed an issue with thumbnails might not be rendering on videos, saving to the desktop. They fixed an issue with certain Bluetooth devices that won't play sounds in apps. They've, when using the microphone, they fixed an issue with unexpected battery usage with OneNote or apps like that. PowerShell for Japanese use, and they fixed an issue with some display scaling. When you read the release notes for this build, they're almost the same as the 19H1 build, which shows how closely aligned they are currently. Like I said, no new features because Microsoft are getting right to the end of development on this now. But it's been looking good. I've not had any issues with it. I've got it on multiple devices and it all works really well. You've got some nice features on it, and I've got a separate blog post and video coming showing all the new features together in one video. So thanks for watching this one. Hopefully we'll get some new features in 19H1 soon once this gets released, and I'll be able to show you some more interesting stuff. But I do appreciate you watching this. Subscribe on our YouTube channel, go to digitallifestyle.com, and you can find me at iStixon on Twitter.